Listen. Now we are going to discuss the topic is a tree traversal. So what is a tree traversal means the of visiting the process of visiting each vertex of a tree, the process of visiting each vertex of a tree in in some specific order, some specific order is called some specific order is called traversing the tree. Traversing the tree. So the process of visiting each vertex of a tree in some specific order is called as a traversing the tree. So what are that specific order? So specific orders, there is a three types will be there. So what are the three types means? First one, in order traversing. You take in any order, in order. Second is a pre-order traversing. Third is a post-order traversing. Post-order traversing. This we will learn detailing. Very simple but little tricky. So visiting vertices of the tree in some specific order is called as a tree traversing. So basically there is a three types will be there: in order, pre-order, post-order. What are all that we'll discuss in detailing. Okay. You take this in any order. First you write pre-order, second post-order, third in order. In any order you write these three. So first I'm going to discuss the in order. For this we'll take the first tree. So I'm taking tree. Tree. This is a vertex. Next to B. Next good morning 1201 A B C. Next D. Next E. Okay. This is a some F. Next here G. Okay. Next H. Now listen carefully what I'm doing. First we will discuss the in order. In order. In order is nothing but LPR. So LPR means, or you can also, L means left tree. Next P. P means parent. R means right. This you can also write like this: left, root, right. In any way, okay. LPR, left, parent, right, or left, root, right. So we have to visit the vertices in this order, LPR. So when you come to this in order, first left, this is a root, go for left. For A vertex, left side go. Why? Because what is there? LPR, left side. You got B vertex. Again see for B, there is a subtree will be there. So again go for the left side. All trees you go left side. So you got what is your D. Is there D any other subtree? No. So write D. write D. After writing D, what I said, LPR. D after writing left side. Next, parent. For D, parent is a what? B. B. Next, after B, right side. What is the right side? What is there? E. For E, again check the, is there any subtree? Yes, is there. Listen carefully. Yes, is there. So again for this E, left side. What is the left side? F. Next, again F. What is a parent? E. Okay. Is there any right side? No. So listen here. This I'm one more time explaining carefully. Listen carefully. What I'm doing means left, parent, right. You remember this order for every tree, subtree also, internal also, you have to maintain this order. First, come to tree. For tree, go left side. B vertex. For B vertex, check it. Is there any subtree? Yes, is there. B has a two children, D, E. So, go left side. What is there? D. Write D. Next, after writing D, what is there? Left completed. Parent. Who is parent? B. B is a parent. Now come to right side. When you coming to right side, E has also children. So assume this as a one tree. So now E. For E, come to left side. For E is E also, this whatever the box do, for that also you apply the LPR formula. So now for E, what is the left? F. Write that F. Next, after that, what is their parent? What is parent? F parent, what is that? E. Next, right side. Is there anything right side? For E right side, anything is there? No. Stop here. So now, this part completed. So what you did? Uh, you went for A left side. You went for A left side. You are written what is the D, B, F, E. Next, left side completed. L completed. Next, parent. What is parent here? A. Write A. Okay. After writing A, listen here. Left side completed. Next, left completed. Next, what is there? Parent written. Next, again go for right side. You have to go for right side. So now come to right side. What is your right side? C is there. Okay. C is there. For C, you check any subtree. Yes, subtree will be there. For C, apply the formula again. When it has some subtree, apply again LPR formula. Again a subtree, again apply LPR formula. So I came right side. Right side C has some subtree. So I'm applying LPR formula. Is left anything will be there? No, left is not there. So next, what is there? Parent, LPR formula. Left, nothing will be there. So what is the parent? C. Next, come to right side. Come to right side now. What is the right side is there? G is there. For G, again subtree is there. Apply LPR formula. G left side. What is the G left side? H. Next, L completed. Parent. What is the parent? G. So next, G right side, what is there? G right side, nothing will be there. So this is a travel visiting vertices in order. So now check it, all the vertices covered or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is called as a in order. Is there any doubt in the in order? Can anyone answer?
No, sir.
So next, after this in order, next we'll see the pre-order. Pre-order. So what is pre-order means? PLR. The formula is a PLR. Parent, left, right. So what is value? Parent, left, right. Okay. Wait a minute. I make this. I erase all these things. And now come to the pre-order. Pre-order means PLR, parent to left to right. So now, first come to what is a parent for the given tree? A is a parent. What is that? A is a parent. After parent, where you have to come? L. L means left side. Come to left side. When you come to left side, it has also subtree. It is also subtree. This is a one subtree. Okay. Parent written PLR formula. Parent written left. I came left side. Left side B is there. So B, now here B is a parent. B is a parent. Okay. Next, for the B, again left side. What is the left side? D is there. Okay. Now, after D, come to right side. What is the right side? E is there. So what is the right side? E is there. Okay. So now, we came here right side. Listen here. One more time. First, parent written A, PLR formula, left. What is the left? PLR formula, parent A written. Next, left. What is the left? This is a B. So here also this is a one subtree. Okay. In this, B written, B left side, PLR formula, D written. Next, right side. Right side means E is there. E also subtree. So now for E, this now thing. For E, again, what is there? E is a parent. After writing E is a parent, L, left side what is there? F. Right side what is there? Nothing will be there. So now all the left will be completed. Check it. All the left. B, D, E, F. Next to come to the right side. When you come to the right side, C is there. So C is a one subtree. C is a one subtree. What is PLR formula? Parent. Right parent C. Next L. Go for left side. Is there anything left side? No. So leave it. Next R. Come to right side. When you come to right side, again one subtree is there. Right side when you come, again subtree is there. For this subtree, again apply PLR formula. P, this is the one subtree. P, what is that? Parent. G. Go left side, PLR. Left side means what is there? H. Right side, is there anything? No. So now, is all vertices covered? Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all vertices are covered. This is called as a pre-order. So the thing is totally you have to depend on this in order means LP order, LPR order, pre-order means PLR order. So tree, subtree, it's a subtree. You have to apply all this formula. Apply yes to LPODM. So next, post order. So now, what is a post order? I'm writing here. Post order. For post order, the formula is LRP. LRP. Left, right, parent. So what you have to take? Left, right, then last you have to write parent. So this is a given tree. For the given tree, first you have to go for left. First you have to go for left. So what is the left? Left B is there. So B again has one subtree. Listen carefully. Left side, I'm going left. For the left again subtree will be there. Okay. So what is that subtree? B subtree. For the B, B again what is there left? D is there. So write D. Next, D again after left, right. B vertex left written, right. Right again one subtree is there. Right again one subtree is there. So for this, first listen carefully. One more time I'm explaining. They are very simple. You don't confuse. The LRP you have to apply internally. Internally like a recursively you have to apply. LRP. So first I'm going left side. Left side what is there? One subtree is there. Okay. Now I went to left side. Okay. Next, again for left side, B is a who is a subtree? B subtree. For the B subtree, what you do? Again go for left side. Okay, what is the left side? D is there. Write that D. Again go for right side. Right side again there is a one subtree. Okay. First you think about this subtree. Okay. So now what is the subtree? E subtree. For E what is the left? LRP. Left what is there? F. Right what is there for E? Nothing will be there. So next right F is there. Sorry, left F is there, right nothing is there. Okay. Next L completed F, right nothing is there. Next parent, what is parent? E. Okay. Now this is a completed E subtree completed. Okay. So now here D E F. Listen this one. Left completed. Next right completed. Next what is it? Left, right, next parent. For these two, what is the parent? B, right B. Okay. Now total, what happened here? Total left completed now. Total left completed. What is formula? Left L R P. Left completed. Now go for right side. So this is a right side. Okay. This right side again C is there. C as a subtree. Yes, subtree is there. C. So now for this C also apply the same formula. Left what is there? Left. Hello, don't speak. Left nothing will be there. Okay. Left nothing will be there. Come to right side. Right side what is there? Again this subtree. First you think about this subtree. So for this subtree, left what is there? H. Right what is there? Nothing will be there. Next left completed, right nothing is there. Next parent, what is a parent? G. Right is G. So this part completed. So this G part completed. So now left completed, right completed, this parent is also completed. Next listen here, when you come to C, C left nothing is there. Right side there, what is the formula? See this one. What is the formula? LRP. For C, left nothing will be there. Right is there, GH. We are written that completed. Next, left, right, right. Next, what is that? Parent. What is the parent here? C. Okay. So now, what happens here? Left completed, right completed, left completed, right completed. What is there? Left, right completed. Next, what you have to write? Parent. What is the parent? A. What is the parent? A. So this is called as a post order. So based on this LPR, first in order LPR, left to parent, right. Inner subtrees also you have to apply same thing only. Inner subtrees ki lopata apply chesi helpotune undali. Chestu a formula ni, you don't miss that formula. You don't lose that rule, LPR or PLR. Is there any doubt? We'll discuss more also on this. Now, anyone can ask, is there any doubt? Boys and
No,
girls.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So to make more clear, I'll discuss one more problem on this. See carefully. Yeah. Everyone, one more time, another example. A, B. This is a little bit more vertices. A, B. Next D. Next E. Next G. Next C. For C, here I think it is a left. Left F. Next H. Next I, J. So now for this graph, listen with cool mind what I am saying. In order, what is the formula? LPR. Okay. So left parent, right. First, come to this left side. You come left side. What is one? This is a tree. Left. Okay. Now, again left side. Again left side. You have one subtree. What is that subtree? B subtree. For B, again you have to do formula. ఒకసారి ఇటు వినండి, కేర్ఫుల్ గా చెప్తున్నాను. First apply LPR formula. LPR means come to left. Okay, this is a root A, come to left. Okay, forget about all this. You remember this box one. For this again B is a subtree. B is a subtree. For this you again think. So B left. Again apply the LPR formula. B left. What is there? B left. B left. D is there. Next what you have to write? Parent. Box lo ఉన్నదాన్ని ఆలోచించండి. Parent. What is a parent? B is there. Next come to what is there? Right. Right means again this is a subtree. So now only you think about this subtree. So now for this subtree, whose subtree? E subtree. E subtree, what is the left? LPR formula. What is the left? G. What is the parent? E. What is the right side for E? Nothing will be there. You stop here. So now is completed. Check it. This subtree completed. This also completed. So total left completed. Okay. Next L completed. Now come to P. P means parent. A. Right. A. Next left completed. Parent completed. Now come to right side. Right side. This is a one subtree. Whose subtree? C subtree. Ever subtree adi? C. So now when you come to C, come to left. Come to left. Left F is there. For the F also one subtree is there. For F also one subtree is there. Now you think about F only. Now you think about F subtree only. So now F left, what is there? Nothing will be there. Right side, what is there? Right side, what is there? Sorry, listen here everyone. Wait a minute. See, we left part completed. This part completed. Next left part completed. P parent written A. Now we are come to the right side. So this is the right side. The right side, listen carefully. When you come to this right side, again what is apply this formula? LPR formula. Left. What is there left? F is there. So this is one subtree. Okay. Next for the F left side, what is there? Nothing will be there. Next left, nothing will be there for F. Parent. What is the parent? F. Next come to right side. F right side. F right side, what is there? Another subtree. F right side, what is there? Another subtree. H subtree. Now you think about H. H left. Apply the formula. LPR formula. For Hij, apply LPR formula. What is the left? I. Next, what is the parent? I parent H. Next, right. What is the right? J. Okay. So now it is completed. H subtree completed. H subtree completed. So now H subtree completed means who is completed? F right side is completed. Next. Next. Listen here. C, for C vertex, left completed, left side completed. Parent, what is the parent? C. Write that C. C right side is anything will be there? No. You stop here. Check it. All the vertices covered or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 vertices are completed. We are visited all the 10 vertices. Like this we can do for any కొంచెం ట్రిక్గా ఉంటుంది. సబ్ట్రీ లోపలికి మళ్ళీ సబ్ట్రీ లోపలికి మళ్ళీ సబ్ట్రీ అట్లా చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. సో వెయిట్ ఎ మినిట్. We see the what is that next to pre-order. You take one paper, you take paper and practice them once, then you can able to do very easily. So pre-order is a Pre-order is a PLR. Okay, parent, left, right. So now parent, what is a parent? A is a parent. Next, L, come to left side. For this left side, only think about this box, not all the thing. So this is one subtree. Whose subtree? B subtree. B subtree, again apply PLR formula. What is a PLR formula? Parent. What is that one? B. What is a parent? B. What is the left side? PLR. Parent return. Left side, what is there? D. Come to right side. When you come to right side, you have again some subtree. Whose subtree? E. Apply again PLR formula. Parent. Parent. Left, what is there? G. Right, what is there? Nothing will be there. So this is a completed. This subtree completed. Okay. So now all the parent left subtree completed. P completed, L completed. Now come to R. This is the R. Parent, left, next right. Okay. So now we think about this one. Okay. So now come to here. Again apply the same PLR formula. PLR formula for C. Apply the vertex C PLR formula. Pre-order. P parent. What is the parent? C. Come to left. Come to left. Left again one subtree will be there. Left again one subtree will be there. Whose subtree? F. For F apply the PLR formula. So parent. For F subtree who is a parent? F is a parent. Left, F left side is anything will be there? No. Next come to right side. Right side again one subtree will be there. Again for whose subtree? H subtree. Apply the PLR formula. What is the H subtree parent? H. Next L. What is the left side? I. What is the right side? J. So H subtree completed. Okay. So now H subtree completed. H completed. F is also completed. Left nothing will be there. Right completed. Come to C. C also left completed. F, G all. C right side is anything will be there? No. C is a parent. L completed. L all yeah, we did now. Right side nothing will be there. So now check it all are completed or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is completed all. So now it is little bit like a tricky to take paper and LPR, PLR formula. Once you take this diagrams and you practice. ఒక్కసారి నువ్వు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినావు అంటే PLR, LPR you can write. Inner again you have to go inner. So now we check the post order. For post order, wait a minute. Andrew is now is entering. Now post order. What is a post order? Post order formula? PLR. Can you able to do this post order? Hello? Can anyone respond? Boys. Post
Yeah,
order.
sir.
Okay. Now.
Sir, LRP, sir.
Please speak.
LRP.
Post order.
LRP, sir. LRP.
LRP, sir.
Yes, sir. LRP.
Sorry.
The formula is LRP.
So what is a post order? LRP. So what is a post order? LRP. So now left. Come to left. Come to left. B subtree will be there. For B again what you do? Go for left side. What is there? D. Right side again subtree is there. Again what is there? Subtree is there. Who is subtree? E subtree. Again E go left. G. Next, right side. E right side, what is there? Nothing will be there. L completed, R completed. Parent, E. So this will be E subtree completed. Okay. Next, left completed, right completed. This is a left completed, right completed. Next, parent. What is a parent? B is a parent. So now, after this, come to right side. LRP, no, come to right side. When you come to right side, whose subtree? C subtree. For the C subtree, again apply LRP formula. What is the L? F will be there. For F again, subtree will be there. F again, subtree will be there. Is there left side anything will be there? No. Okay. Next, right side is there? Yes. Right side again subtree will be there. For H you apply. H left side I, right side J. Next, parent H. Okay. So now H subtree completed. H subtree completed. F left side nothing will be there. Right side completed. F right side completed. Next, F is a parent. Right F. So now F subtree completed. Now F subtree completed. So now C left completed. Right nothing will be there. Right side nothing will be there. So C left completed. Right nothing will be there. Next, parent. What is the parent? C. Next, left completed, right completed. Now what is their parent? What is the parent? This is a parent. So this is a LRP post order. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now this we will discuss for the mathematically also. We have 3 minutes time. Listen here. Next page. For example, there is a one mathematical expression x plus xy plus x by y. First we will draw its tree. So for this mathematical expression, first we will draw the binary tree, then prefix that all. I think time will be not sufficient. Just I'll draw the its tree plus. Wait a minute. Otherwise, we will do this in the next class. Now, can you say any doubts you can raise? Boys and
No,
girls,
sir.
మీకు ఇచ్చిన మెటీరియల్స్ లో వాట్ ఆర్ ద మెటీరియల్స్ గివెన్ దీస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ విల్ బి దేర్ యూ ట్రై టు టేక్ పేపర్ అండ్ పెన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ దెమ్ ఓకే ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఎనీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్